So I'll tell you why you should be choosing US and why, if you're not already thinking about it or you're not serious about it and you should be, what is the difference between India and US and maybe other countries. Now the first thing, if you go to US or a foreign country, you save at least 1 year of preparation time. Why? Because currently what you're supposed to do is, you graduate in the end of June, you end up going to India by July, you have to prepare for the MCI exam. This may change, but this is the situation right now. I understand that there's some talk about some other exam, etc. But this is the situation right now. So what is happening here? So what's happening right now is your exam is going to be in December. You spend about how many months? July, August, September, October, November, December. 6 months you're spending in preparing for this exam. And there is no way that you can give this before your 6th year. USMLE, on the contrary, you can give any time after your 2nd year. So if you are prepared and if you have been studying anytime in 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th year, you can appear for this exam, and immediately after you're done with graduation from Ukraine, you can go to the US for further applications and your residency program. Now the second difference is that when you go to India, it's still continuing with the time thing. You will spend 6 months for the exam preparation. If you do clear the exam in the first attempt, which now the pattern has changed everything. If you do clear this in the first attempt, you have to do 1 year of internship. In US, this 1 year of internship is not there. You have your first year of residency, which is considered as your internship year. Okay? So you're saving that 1 year and 6 months of preparation time. Now in India, when you clear the MCI, you are only a basic physician, which is MD physician. You can work as a general practitioner. You still have to study and prepare for another exam, which would be NEET or whichever exam they decide to conduct next. It is difficult to study with your internship, which is going to be 8 hours a day. And if you want to make the most of your internship, you should technically be there 10-12 hours a day and study when you come back home, live alone, do all the housework, whatever is there. It is difficult to do that. Now, if you are successfully able to study within that 1 year and clear the NEET exam, then you can apply for PG, that too if you get a certain score. What happens in US is you're giving one exam, not one exam, you're giving a series of exams, and after you've given that, that is to license you as a medical practitioner, which means you're an MD physician. I'm going to repeat it, everyone please silent your phone so that it doesn't disturb the workshop. Thank you. So the first thing is that it would license you as an MD physician. Second thing is you can apply for your post-graduation. So there's no additional exam that is required. You are preparing only for one set of exams. So you're saving time in preparation and you're saving time because there are lesser number of exams to give. The next thing is the pay, like she rightly said. In India, the average salary for a resident, not an intern, for a resident is about 50,000 rupees. That too in a nice city like maybe Delhi or Bangalore or Mumbai, which is a metropolitan city. What do you think is the salary for a resident, first year resident in US? Any ideas?
3 lakhs per month. 3 lakhs per month.
$4,000 and some $100 extra is what you would be earning. Your average income in a year, starting salary, $50,000. And it will keep increasing every year. And this is the most basic, which is like the lowest earning job there. Maybe I think that's a pediatrician. They would get it. If you're in internal medicine or surgery or something, it would be much higher and go to $60,000, $75,000 per annum as a first year resident. So that compared to maybe $600, $700 in India, which is 50,000 rupees a month. Is that not a stark difference? So when you go to US, you have a better lifestyle because it is a more developed nation as compared to India. You would be living in a better house, in a better city with more facilities. And in India, you would be staying probably near your hometowns, or the best city I would say would be where I am from, Gurgaon, because that seems most like the most developed place. So, are there any questions of why you should choose US or any other country?